Got a new motor and ESC combo from Parkflyers, and I'm going to be installing it on the Traxxas 4-Tec today. I'm going to be starting off by removing the old motor, ESC, and pretty much everything I have to remove to get to there and wire this thing up. Alrighty, I'd gotten it all apart and forgotten to film and started putting stuff together. I started mocking it up of where I want everything. I got the motor in, the ESC, and started soldering the points, and then remembered I forgot to film. So I don't have anything taped down, locked in where I want it yet. So I'm gonna finish taping everything down and have everything locked in place. And I still don't have the metal gears, so we might run it with these to see if I burn them, and then just put the metal ones in anyway. Alright, I got everything in, soldered up, and taped down where I want it. I got the motor in place with the backlash of the ring and spur gear set, and the ESC taped down with the power switch. All I've got to do is put on the Traxxas battery plug, and we're good. Finished up with all of the electronics on this. Everything has been done except for the transmitter. I'm still using the stock Traxxas transmitter receiver. I did the Parkflyers Stage 1 Hobby Wing just stock 10.5 turn and ESC combo. And then I did a fancy aluminum Yokomo Servo in blue to match all the rest of the blue I've done. And then the V3 gyros out of stock, so I just got the V2, and that was all the driving installed from it just then. There's no more shake in the steering on the transitions. It's a lot smoother now, and the servo is just a lot faster in itself. The whole car is just a lot faster as well. We're able to keep up with each other a lot better now. We're on the same tires, right? You're on the Yokomo?
Yokomo!
So,
asphalt!
Yokomo asphalt tires, yeah. Killing it. The hot racing aluminum rear low control arms, and I also did this rear battery mount. It's sitting on the rear diffuser and zip tied to the body mount. And then I cut up the stock foam bumper because this universal body mount kit came with a different foam front bumper, and I cut the stock one and shoved it in there to hold it in tight. So the weight distribution on this thing's a lot better and it drives a lot more controllable.
Japanese spray paint would be right.